Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot dog buns, and these are the ingredients you need. I got a package of 12 hot dogs, 1 egg for egg wash, yeast. I am using a quick rice yeast, and then you need salt, sugar, flour, and warm water. First, I'm going to measure 4.5 cups of flour, 1 cup. Half a cup. Next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of quick rice yeast. Next, I am adding in a 1/3 cup of sugar. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I need 1.5 cup of warm water. This is 1 cup. Let's start moving. I can't pour it in, otherwise it's too crummy, so it's easier to mix now. So this is half a cup. So I add in the rest of the half cup. Make sure the water is not too hot, otherwise it will kill the yeast, so it won't rise when the water is too hot. Here's my other half cup of water, so I just dump it all in. Mix it until everything is together. Basically, I got everything nailed together. I have to put in the oil. So, put it on a table. And then you need 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 tablespoon at a time. Second tablespoon. Third tablespoon. Okay, I have been kneading it for 5 minutes, so my dough is good enough. So just like put it back into my the original pan. And let it rise. I'm going to show you a quick way of getting the dough to rise faster. So I'm going to heat up a little bit of water in the pot and wait until it's boil. Okay, my water is boiled, and I'm going to shut off the heat. And I am going to place the dough in there, and then I'm going to cover it up. In the meantime, while we're waiting for the dough to rise, I'm going to boil the hot dog. I have a small pot, so half a pot of water. Rinse with a little bit of water. I'm going to cook it in high heat, and then I'm going to boil it for 15 minutes. Make sure everything is cooked. And if you don't want to boil, you don't have to boil, but I don't know if it's cooked within the matter of 20 minutes in the baking. So that's why I'm boiling it, okay? It's your choice. Okay, my hot dog is done cooking. Take it out from the water and put it aside. Okay, it's been half hour, my dough, and this is what it looks like. It did rise, but not double the size, but I would say half the size. So anyway, I'm going to kneel it. I think it's good enough. Just kneel it for about a minute. I'm going to put it back again for another half hour. Water is still a little warm, but I'm going to heat it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to do the same process as before. I'll let it rise for another half hour, and then we're going to start rolling the bun. It's been half hour, and it's double the size. And it looks like this, so it's a good sign. So fun to play with.
Yeah.
It's like a Play-Doh. Knead it a little bit here on the table and separate into two. So I'm making 12 hot dog buns. It's like half here. Just cut it into half. And this half, I can cover it. So to prevent dryness, roll it out and separate into 6. So this is half. Just estimate is good enough. And then cut it into 3, so. In the meantime, I can put back in here for now. This is lengthy enough. And then you just take the hot dog, just roll it like that, and then just continue like rolling the there. And then I'm going to put it in here. I just line it up in here with the wax paper under. Let's do another one. Okay, it's long enough. Do it again here. Just like push a little and then just roll out your dough. Pretty good guess. There you go. And then into here. Make sure you put some space between the 2 hot dogs, so because it expands. Okay, I finished rolling all of them and this is what it looks like. And I am going to put it in the warm spot so it will rise faster. Okay, I am going to preheat my oven, 400 degrees, and then preheat for about 1 minute. My oven is off and it's warm inside right now. So I'm going to put in the bun to help it rise faster. Let it rise for half an hour. Okay, my bun has been double the size. Here I have an egg and we're going to egg wash. Okay, I'm brushing the bun with the egg, and the purpose of this is to, it will be nice and glossy at the end and it will be brown. This is what it looks like after egg wash. So the leftover, you can use it for later or whatever. And now I'm going to bake it. My oven is preheated at 400 degrees. And I am going to put in my bun. Bake it to golden brown. But for my oven, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. For your oven, may be different. So just keep an eye on it till it's golden brown, and then make sure it's not burnt. I can see my bun is golden brown. So I'm going to switch it from top to bottom and bottom to top. See, golden brown like this. In the meantime, see the bottom one is barely cooked, so I'm going to switch it from top to bottom. My bun just finished cooking. And this is the bottom. This is what it looks like. So, okay. Beautiful. This one is also cooked. See, golden brown on both top and bottom. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the plate. So, and this is the one that earlier I showed you. So nice. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.